Now verse 23, Balaam's second message. Then Balak said to him, Come with me to another place where you can see them. You will not see them, but only the outskirts of their camp. Then he spoke his message. Arise, Balak, and listen. Hear me, son of Zippor. God is not human, that he should lie, not a human being, that he should change his mind. Does he speak and then not act? Does he promise and not fulfill? I have received a command to bless. He has blessed, and I cannot change it. No misfortune is seen in Jacob, no misery observed in Israel. The Lord their God is with them. The shout of the king is among them. God brought them out of Egypt. They have the strength of a wild ox. There is no divinations against Jacob, no evil omens against Israel. It will now be said of Jacob and of Israel, See what God has done. The people rise like lions. They roast themselves like lions. That does not rest till it devours its prey and drinks the blood of its victim. Then Balak said to Balaam, Neither curse them at all nor bless them at all. Balaam answered, Did I not tell you I must not do whatever the Lord says?